last week I posted a vlog, and some of you may have noticed, some of you may have not, but the video has a different aspect ratio which takes up the majority of your screen, like this video. Now the reason I started using this aspect ratio is because why not use the majority of the screen, since most of you, and I'm not saying everyone, but most of you are watching videos more and more on your phones rather than your computers. Now what you may have noticed is that your camera, my camera, you know, your phone, whatever, it doesn't film in this aspect ratio, this exact ratio itself. It films in 16:9. To be specific, if you're shooting in like 1080p or full HD, that's 1920 by 1080, so 1920 by 1080. And this camera specifically is shooting in 3840 by 2160, both of which are 16:9 aspect ratios, one being 4K, one being 1080p. However, none of them are this 2.17:1 aspect ratio, which is the aspect ratio that you're watching. So in the editing software of your choice, I want you to do this to get this aspect ratio. Go to your sequence settings, wherever that may be, change the settings. Instead of having it be 3840 by 2160, we want it to be 3840 by 1772. That's if you're shooting a 4K footage. If you're shooting 1080p or full HD footage, I want you to type in 1920 by 886. Both of these end up having the same aspect ratio, which fills the entirety of your phone screen. And as long as you don't add any borders like this or like this, which is something I do tend to do, you'll technically and legitimately take up the entirety of the screen, from border of your phone to border of your phone. And yes, there will be a notch or a dynamic island if you have the newer iPhones. However, you get most of the screen covered, and that's what we're going for, just as maximum amount of coverage as we can. So that's it. Use it as you'd like. However, just keep in mind that when you do use this aspect ratio, at the current moment, YouTube does not support end screen things for it. That's the one downside. It's the one annoying part of it all. However, I'm willing to trade the end screen to get you to watch most of the video because it's covering your entire screen. There's a little less distraction when you're in theater mode on your computer. It also fills up the screen quite nicely. What's an end screen? You'll know if you want to click and watch another video. You'll go to the channel. I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. But okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.